Founded in 1955, one of Eggleston's core values has always been the ability of all persons to thrive in the workplace. The nonprofit company was initially created to serve individuals with mental disabilities and those suffering from cerebral palsy, but has since expanded to helping those with physical disabilities become fully functioning members of society. Eggleston works to bridge the gap between the disabled and other employees and provide a meaningful job with fewer of the social stigmas the disabled tend to face in the workforce. Since its founding, Eggleston has strived to provide job opportunities for those who may not be highly sought out elsewhere. Employees at Eggleston suffering from mental illnesses or substance abuse may not be aware that they are not working at their highest capacity. They are around other disabled individuals, and there are no markers that truly indicate how well they are carrying out their work. This may prove problematic for the Eggleston Company. The $10.10 minimum wage policy could cause workers to slack and threaten their future employment. Eggleston has been providing laundry services to the Norfolk and Hampton Roads areas since 2001. Since then, these services have expanded tenfold, and Eggleston now has the capacity to provide work for an average of 80 to 100 individuals at each of its 16 locations. Eggleston processes 22,000 pounds of laundry daily. Workers often complain about difficult and humid working conditions. Representative of Eggleston, Leah Boyd, claimed that the average worker operated at around 50% capacity, but had no knowledge of their productivity in comparison to their co-workers. Our main problem was time usage and efficiency. Eggleston, based in Virginia, has a laundry productivity problem. Its workers fully process laundry in a time frame insufficient for high total yield. This may be due to faulty folding practices and a lack of enthusiasm in workers. Productivity must be at its maximum so employees can earn at least minimum wage. Many employees suffer from mental or physical disabilities, however, which causes output to suffer. The company must come up with a way to cheaply increase efficiency because each brand is given $150,000 in grants annually. A few of our potential solutions would be a machine that increases folding speed. This machine would be up against a wall, and the person would hang the sheet from the wall, walk back with the sheet, and the machine would fold the sheet as the person folds the sheet, so that a job that originally took two people would now only take one. Another solution would be a machine to speed up ironing time because a lot of time was wasted straightening out the towels and putting them into the mass ironing machine. So this machine would spin, a worker would drop the towels into the machine, and the machine would spin the towels at a high rate so the towels would flatten out, and then they would slide down a platform into the iron. And the final solution would be a machine to count the folded items. We noticed in the video that some workers had to individually count the sheets that they had folded. So this machine would quickly and efficiently, as one would count money or cards, flip through the sheets and count the final amount.
Okay, and let's now look at the pros and cons. So the pros for the first solution would be that this will improve overall production speed and quality of the job. This provides easy management for the employee. Less hands will be needed in order to fold the clothes, which will clear out more space in a workplace for all the employees. And lastly, an increase in production will increase income. However, the employee may not be able to keep up with the speed of the machine. The machine's production may result in some employees being laid off, and the machine could malfunction, resulting in more costs. Solution 2, pros and cons. So pro eliminates the need for workers to flatten out towels before they can be inserted into the ironing machine, makes ironing faster, and its higher efficiency makes it more cost effective. However, this may be difficult to develop and would take a lot of prototyping to ensure no towel goes unflattened. And it also has lots of parts and may be expensive to manufacture. Solution 3, pros and cons. Again, increase in efficiency. This is very easy to design and very easy to learn how to use. Some negatives, though, however, is the machine's potential cost and machine development. And so those are the pros and cons. Why have we chosen our solution? So first and foremost, we're looking for cost effectiveness. We're trying to reduce costs for the company. Next, we're looking for ease. We wanted to make sure the employees have as little difficult of a time working with the new devices. We're looking to increase weekly speed and output. And lastly, we're looking for marketability. These inventions may have practical applications outside of this company. And thank you very much.